Hey everybody, welcome and thank you for joining me and the sidekicks for another video. Zena's here. She is watching the treat bag right now. Wyatt's here. He is anxious for a nap, his video nap. So we're going to get right to it because I am super excited that my stitch fix came in before I left town. I thought for sure it was going to come tomorrow after I'd already left and I wasn't going to get to it till I got back, but no. It's here, so I'm so excited. So the reason why I thought it wasn't going to make it, because it was supposed to come yesterday, is because I got a note on Thursday telling me that Jess, my adored stylist, is no longer styling with Stitch Fix anymore. So Jess, whatever you are doing, if you're watching, I wish you well, I wish you joy, I wish you happiness, and good luck to you and your family and everything you do. I will miss you dearly, and yeah, good luck to you. I'm gonna miss you. So Stitch Fix said to me, because I was very clear that if Jess isn't styling me, that they were supposed to wait until Jess was back, and since she wasn't coming back, they weren't sure what they were supposed to do, so they wanted me to tell them. So I said, okay, well, I didn't want just any stylist. I said, give me a stylist that had styled me before where I had kept something. So they said, okay, sure, we can do that. And they gave me Cassandra. So I don't know if you guys remember Cassandra, but I think Cassandra styled me in the fall or winter time frame when Jess was out, and I happened to keep all 5 pieces that time. So Cassandra is back, and let's see how she did. And Zena is pawing me, so I don't know. Are you not up for Cassandra? What do you think? She just wants treats. That's all she cares about. Yes. Okay. So, if you're not familiar with Stitch Fix, but I'm sure everyone is at this time, styling service, $20 styling fee, goes towards anything you keep it all, get a discount, 25% off, fill out a profile, get a stylist. Hope you love everything. If you don't, send it all back, free shipping both ways, right? If you're not sure what to do, right inside the box, once you open it, it tells you what to do. I will put my link down below in case you want to give Stitch Fix a try. If you use my link, you get $25 towards anything you keep, and I get $25 towards my next box. So win-win, right? So let's check this out. Here is the inside of my box. I see shoes. You always get an envelope that has all of your information in it, pricing sheet, notes from your stylist, and ideas of how to wear your outfits. You always get a return envelope to send everything back that you don't love. And let's see. We'll go through everything, then we'll do notes from my stylist, and then we'll do price sheets. That's usually how I do it. So here is my small bundle. You can tell it is summertime. Shoes look like flats because it's tiny. Let's check out the shoes. What do you think, Z? Check out shoes. I love how they always come in these dust bags. So these are Steve Madden shoes, and they are a flat with an animal print. What do you guys think of that? So I love the slide. I love the pattern. I'm not sure about the flat, but I'm willing to give it a try. Sometimes that's good, right? Let's try that out. Okay, let's dig into the bundle. Right. So first up, I see color and pattern. This is a top. Yep, it's a top by Papermoon, and it's like a jersey knit, little keyhole front and back. So I can see you through both of these little keyholes here. That's pretty. I like the colors. What do you guys think of that? It's like a chevron. So it's like a halter style top, little keyholes. Hopefully it's not too high on my neck, but that's cute. All right, next up, what is this? Another top by Colette. Oh, this is a cold shoulder top with little ties. I don't know about that. I'm kind of over the cold shoulder. I'm not really sure I like this. So, I don't know. Probably not really my thing, but we'll try it. And this is like a teal and cream stripe. Next up, feels like a dress. Yeah, next up is a dress by THML, which has some embroidery in the front. So that's kind of cutesy. I'm not sure that's me. So it's navy blue with a lot of embroidery there in the front and embroidery around the neck. And otherwise it's just navy blue. It does have this little design around the hem at the bottom. I can tell you I'm not really loving this right here, but we'll try it. All right, next up is a pair of Vigoss crop straight jeans. These are cute. Oh, they're button fly. But these are cute. Have the frayed hem. At least they're not full-length pants. Hopefully they're crops on me. So I like that they're crops. They have a little bit of distressing, but nothing too crazy. So those aren't bad. Yeah, those aren't bad. Okay. So maybe 3 out of the 5 aren't too bad. We'll see. Let's see what my stylist has to say here. Okay. Happy June, Laura. I'm sorry your favorite stylist, Jess, is not available to style you, but I'm glad to have the chance to send you some fun and casual pieces as we head into the summer months. First, I sent you a pair of crop straight leg jeans by Vigoss with a button front detail. Wear them straight or cuffed and sport the Steve Madden leopard slide sandal that will add a little edge to any of your summer looks. Don't be afraid to mix prints, like with the Colette striped tee offering a shoulder peak. Try tying a knot on the side of this one for a leg lengthening trick. I also sent you a breezy embroidered dress by THML that will look so cute with a denim jacket and wedges. I hope you have fun with your summer inspired fix. I look forward to your thoughts and hope to style you again soon. Best, Cassandra. Okay, so we won't look at any pricing yet. We'll go straight into the try on and see. Maybe these will look good on, right? So I will be right back. Okay, so for my first outfit, I have on the striped top with a little peekaboo shoulder here and the little tied knot, as well as the Vigoss jeans, and as well I put on the little flats. Okay, so we'll start with the jeans. So I love the jeans, however, they are big on me, so I would need to size down. But they have some awesome stretch, and I like that they are crops. I don't mind the button front, so they were easy to, the button fly, they were easy to button and unbutton, so I don't think that I would have an issue, you know, having to go to the restroom, like it would be too much of a pain. It's just a little bit of distressing, so no major distressing, and they're not too high, so they are a little bit below my belly button, so all good. So other than the fact that these are too big for me, I would have to size down. I really like them. The slides I'm not sure about. What do you guys think of these? And I hope you can see them on. They're very flat. They're hitting at an odd place, like right at the very end of my big toe. And I can't tell if that's going to hurt or not, but they are very flat, which isn't necessarily a bad thing. It's just not what I'm used to. I like usually a little bit of a heel. But I think they're cute. I'm just not sure. I think I would have to wear them around a little bit to see if they would be comfortable and if I would like them. But overall, I think they're cute shoes. Okay, so the t-shirt overall is not bad. It's a nice length. It's a nice fabric. Not really, I'm kind of over the cold shoulder, but it's not overly obvious. So it's not bad. I feel like this is like something that I already own, and it has a dolman sleeve, which I do not love. But unless I do this, I'm not sure it's overly obvious. And Cassandra has suggested tying it, so we'll do that real quick. for a leg lengthening look, I think she said. So I don't know if I can tie this. Maybe I can't even tie. I don't know if there's enough fabric. To get a good tie here. How does that look? Do you like it better, worse? It almost looks like a little bit of a front tuck, which I could also do that. I'll get closer so you guys can see it. I don't know. Yeah, I'm not sure about this top. We'll check pricing. I'm not sure if I would reach for it. I feel like it's just a style that I just would not reach for in my closet. All right, let's try something else. Okay, so for the second outfit, I put on the, I want to call this a chevron, right? This chevron top. It's super stretchy. It's just a nice material. It has the keyhole in the front. It has the keyhole in the back. It's a nice length. I kept the jeans on, and then I just put on a tan sandal. I like it. It's not too close to my neck, so that's good. I think it fits well. What do you guys think of the pattern? Do you like it? It's just a zigzaggy pattern. And the colors in it are a really pretty green and orange and blues, white, and I think that's black. So I think it stands out. I think you could wear it with a lot of things. So I'm liking it. Yep. I think this one's a good one. All right, last item is the dress. Okay, so last up is this embroidered dress. You guys can see all this embroidery here around the top, as well as here on the front with the florals. And it's on a navy background. It has the little design here around the hem as well. It is lined, which is very nice. It actually is a very pretty dress. I like the style of it. I think the cut of it is great. It fits fantastic. I unfortunately cannot get past all of this floral design on the front of it for me. Which is unfortunate because it actually is a very nice fitting dress. It hangs very nicely, and I like everything about it except for this floral design right here on my chest. I just don't like that. It fits very well. It hangs nicely. The color's nice. I like navy. This doesn't work for me for some reason. And I just put it on with tan sandals. Yeah, I don't know. You guys tell me if you like it. There's something about it that just doesn't resonate with me very well. All right, let's do a wrap up. All right, pricing. So, not bad actually. If I were to keep everything, it would be $263.95. The buy all discount would be 25% off, $65.99, and everything would be $197.96. That's not too bad considering there's jeans, shoes, a dress. So let's break it down. First off, the Vigoss Stevie crop straight jean, which I really like actually. I want to see if I can get these in a smaller size. These are really cute. These were only $68, so not a bad price. If I'm not going to get the 25% off because they won't keep everything, but if I were, that would be pretty awesome. Pretty awesome price. But these are nice, so I'm not sure. We'll see if we can size down because I would like to keep these. Next up is the Colette Romey cold shoulder knit top. That's this. It's $34. Again, not bad. I didn't necessarily think the top was terrible. I'm just not sure I can get past the dolman sleeve and the cold shoulder. You guys tell me if I'm crazy. Next up is the Papermoon Elaria Keyhole knit top. This is $34. I really liked this. So this one I think I want to keep as well. Next is the Steve Madden Alexandria Slide Sandal, $59.95. What did you guys think of these? Keep or not keep? So I'm leaning towards not keeping because I do have a Sam Edelman flat sand. They have a little bit of heel. They're probably 1 inch, 1.5 inch heel in a leopard print that I'm thinking I probably don't need these as well. Especially because I'm not going to buy everything. I'm thinking I probably don't need to keep them. And then this dress, which is a THML Lark embroidered dress in navy, is $68. Not a bad price. This is actually a great dress. I just don't know what I just don't like this for some reason. Again, you guys tell me if I'm crazy. So that's where I am right now. And then I don't pay the styling fee because I do the style pass. Zena's huffy puffy. That's what the noises are. Zena's being huffy puffy right now. I do the style pass. I pay the $49 fee to get my styling fees waived for the entire year. And they do give you that $49 back as well towards anything that you keep. So it's well worth it for me. That way I don't have to pay the styling fees anymore. So I don't get that discounted. So if I were to keep the jeans and the top, the keyhole top, that would be about $100 for those 2 items. And the jeans might not be available in a smaller size, so it might just end up being just the top for $34. Oh, what do you guys think? Do you have a favorite? What do you think I should keep? Let me know. I love, love, love your comments. So please, please, please tell me what you think down below about these items. Let me know what you think about this dress. Am I crazy about this? Let me know. So I will list all of these items down below in case you want to request any of them from your stylist. Okay, so Zena just jumped off the couch and completely knocked over the camera. Sorry. I will put all of these items down below in case you want to request any of them from your stylist. I will also put my link to Stitch Fix in case you want to give it a try. I would love it if you would hit that like button and show us some support. And if you'd like to join the chaos, please hit that subscribe button so you know about all future videos. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you've already subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you so very much for the support. We so very much appreciate it. I will go back. I always do this. I know I don't always say it, but after I decide what I'm keeping, I do go back and update the description box with what I've kept and what I've returned. Have an awesome day, everyone. Until next time. Bye.